All right, everyone. Today, I want you to be thinking about how you are going to set up your own page for your essay. Yesterday, what you did was you decided on a title, you wrote a little blurb to try to get people to go and read your article. From the home page, what you're going to do is you're going to click over on the right where it says Pages. Now, I've set up a section that says Volume 4, May 2020, and all of your pages are underneath here. So what you'll do is you will find your name. My name is Miss Nicole, and it will open up in your page. Once you get there, you can click on Insert. You'll see that I've already written title goes here, so you'll write the title. And then I've put in the first layout box where you can put a picture here. You can write your name, so by Nicole Dixon. Now notice that is really, really big. It's not a title, right? So I'm going to take that down to a heading size. And actually, maybe I'm going to take it down to subheading size. And here is where you would write your intro paragraph eventually. This is where you'll copy and paste it. Today, you don't need to worry about that part going in there. But what you should think about is how you want your page to be set up. So you notice over here there are some layouts. Now, some of the layouts work well, some of them aren't perfect. If you wanted to do this layout right here, what you could do is you can actually move the picture over so that you don't have the pictures all on the exact same side. You want to try to vary it. And then what you can do is you can change your text sizes so that they're all just normal text or heading size, right? So here you would probably have a subheading. Dogs are cool. And then this whole paragraph would be about why dogs are cool and a picture that supports the idea that dogs are cool. Now, maybe you have some other things that you want to do. Maybe none of these layouts really call to you. So what you can do is you can just decide to put in a text box, and then you can write in your next section. Dogs are fun. Oh yeah. And I'm going to bold that, bold. And then under there, I would write all about why dogs are fun. Now, I might want a big picture to go underneath this. So then I can just click on image and I could select an image if I want to put that in there. I'm going to do a Google image search and I'm going to look up fun dogs. Ooh. Oh yeah, okay, this dog looks fun. All right, so then I have my little image here, but maybe that image is too small and I think, oh, actually that doesn't look great. So I'm going to move it to right there. Now, this is your opportunity to play around with how you want your page to look. You could even make yourself a little image carousel where you can choose multiple images. So I could say fun dogs again, and then choose that, choose this one, choose this one, choose that one, choose this one. Ooh, I think these are all good pictures. Ooh, those guys look like they're having fun. I can insert that. You'll notice it says a carousel must have at least 2 images. And remember, you want your images to support the story that you're trying to tell, right? So whatever you want your readers to think about your topic, you'll want images that support that. So let's say I insert it. Now this is actually going to click through. So I can center it, and when it's published, this will play through. It'll show this picture, then the next picture, then the next picture, then the next picture, and it'll rotate through with these pictures. You can play around. Like, oh, maybe I decide, actually I don't like that, so I'm going to hit trash can. Okay? So you can think about doing that. You can think about when you want to add in a divider. You might want to add in a YouTube video that you found that you think is a good source for your readers to actually see and that supports the idea of what you're trying to put into your article. Maybe you want to put in a map. You know, let's say you want to show where the most dogs in the world are from, because maybe that's what I would want to do. I could include a map. Um, Remember that you're going to have all of your text in here organized with different headings, and you're also going to want to have images because people love images. You can also today think about the section background that you want. So right now we're defaulting to these different colors and they're beautiful, right? Oops, that's how you can duplicate a section. They're really, really nice colors. But if these aren't the colors that suit your fancy, what you can do is click on that little painter's palette again, choose image, select image, and maybe you want one of these pictures. Remember, you don't want it to be distracting. It should really be a solid color. So you could say red in the Google search bar. You search it, then you select it, and red becomes the background in that section. Remember that you want them to be complementary colors, probably not too many, maybe one, maybe 2 to 3 colors that you're going back and forth between. And here you can also change the image for your background. So you can upload an image or you can select an image from Google Image Search. Please remember, do not play with the themes. If you play with the themes, it changes everybody's page and everybody's font. So we're going to keep the theme exactly how it is now, and we're not going to change that. So today, remember that your goal is to play with your layout, figure out which pictures you want to go with each of your sections, and decide on all of your background colors and put them in. So that tomorrow, what you'll do is you'll just be copying and pasting from your Google Doc into this final article so that we can publish it. All right, you guys, have an awesome day. Email me if you have any questions.